welcome back to my channel. I am Ms. Z, for those who don't know me. Right now, as you can see, I'm getting ready to start my day with a scrumptious breakfast. I am having Dave's Killer Bread. I almost forgot the name of it. I like to start my day with a good breakfast full of carbs, fats, and protein. I like this combination at the present moment. I'm enjoying it very much. This particular bagel has 11 grams of protein and about 48 to 50 grams of carbs, I believe, it does me good. I like to work out right after. It keeps me full for a while, and I am working on um, gaining more strength. So, as you can see right now, I like to use half of the bagel with, I'm going to use one half of the bagel to, I'm going to cover it with cream cheese, which I really like. And this one's a vegan cream cheese. I can't have dairy, so this is the alternative. I used just two brands. This one is Daiya, which is okay. I like the other, there's another brand that I really like at the moment. I don't know the name, but I will put it down below for those ladies or for those of who cannot have dairy at the present moment. And on the other half, I will add hummus just to add a little bit more flavor to my breakfast. You can choose any type of hummus flavor you like. I particularly like this one. It's buffalo, spicy buffalo from Trader Joe's. I really, really like it. It gives it this nice kick. So I will put my egg, as you can see, on one side, and then I am enjoying the one with the cream cheese. I'll add some smoked salmon. In this package I bought from Costco, which is really, really good, affordable. The price is perfect, and it lasts you for several days. My husband and I go through this pack within a week. I mean, we love it so much. But he is also enjoying this little combo here. But yeah, this is it. It's delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. This is a must. Enjoy. There's little dinosaurs right there. Well, big old dinosaur. I hope everyone's doing great and getting ready to have a great weekend, whether you have plans or not. I had an awesome, productive day. I'm gonna continue pushing through and finish out the day, go out to dinner a little later with the hubs and the girls. I was feeling a little bit blue earlier, but I decided to turn it around. You know, self-care is very important. If you are feeling the same way, I recommend that you take a time to take a breather,
take care of yourself, your mind, body. I'll focus on self-care for a little bit and then come back and do what you have to do. It's very important to take that time, and you know what they say, you can't be good for everyone else unless you're good to yourself first. And I strongly believe in that. My daughter and I were craving apple pie. Out of all things, we crave apple pie, so we're gonna make one. I found this recipe on Pinterest. It's paleo. We're gonna give it a go. I've never baked an apple pie before, not a paleo anyway. I'm not the biggest baker, but we'll give it a go. And so yeah, follow me. When I was little, my grandma taught me how to peel potatoes, and I learned to do it really, really fine, and you can make a necklace out of it. I broke it, but I know some people love to use the peelers, which is totally fine. I like this better because I'm so used to it. And yeah.
I'm cutting apples so we can put them in the bowl. And then I believe we put them in the food. We add more ingredients.
Don't cut the fingers off, girl.
I won't. I won't.
Okay. Oh. This is what it looks like so far. Oh, it smells so good. If you could only smell it. Now we're adding the egg.
Yeah.
Did you want to do it? You are in charge of the apple cutting. Now you're gonna do 1/4 of ginger. Ginger is very strong.
Heaping teaspoon of ginger.
Now we're gonna do 1/4 of nutmeg. Now we're gonna do vanilla extract.
How much vanilla extract? Is it just a cap of it?
Yes, I love.
Kind of a heaping teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon.
Alright. So 1 teaspoon.
Spatula. So now we're going to.
I'm not sure how this will work because it's.
Here, madam, please do the honors.
No!
Oh, okay. Valerie's being brave and taking a road.
Am I not supposed to be brave?
It shouldn't be bad. So this is what we did. We accidentally put 2
I'm not
teaspoons
showing the camera.
of ground nutmeg instead of putting 1/4 of it. We were supposed to put 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Oops. Accidentally put too much nutmeg. I tried to wash it off a bit. The flavor is really strong, but it's not bad, right?
Right.
And then we
What would you say? Is it good?
It's pretty good.
Okay. First time. Ground ginger, yeah. That one we got it right. It would have been a colossal mistake if we got that wrong. Ginger is quite
very
strong.
tiny, which I like.
But the flavor, smell it. Smell that by itself.
It smells like a seasoning.
We will take a quick break. I think we're ready for dinner.
Yeah, we're
The
gonna go
hubby's
out
waiting
to
for
dinner.
us. Valerie here is working on the
Crumbs.
crumble top. What do you have in there, love?
I have almond flour with some pure maple sugar.